How to sign up Hostinger affiliate program. Signing up for the Hostinger affiliate program lets you earn commissions by referring customers to Hostinger's web hosting services. Now here is how we can get that done. So the first thing that we are going to do is basically look for Hostinger affiliate program here on Google, and you should see something like this. So we're going to go ahead and click this one. Now we're going to go ahead and click Access Affiliate Platform. And we're just going to go ahead and accept everything or check everything and then hit continue. Now from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and click partner sign up. So as you can see here, it says affiliates.hostinger.com. So we're going to go ahead and fill in all the necessary information right here. For example, you have here the company or the name. So we're going to go ahead and call this one Easy Weber Unofficial. And for the website, you can just go ahead and put here your Google. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this one real quick. Alright, for the address, this is referring to your home address. So I'm just going to go ahead and put here all the necessary information. So just please wait a moment. So the country, I'm from the Philippines, region 7, all right, zip code 6015, and then the phone number. This is actually very important. So tax ID, you can leave this one blank for now, and then we're going to go ahead and click the cookie consent and then click next. So you have here the user details, so this is going to refer to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and put here all the necessary information. Alright, and click next. Now, you have here additional questions. What is your main channel to promote Hostinger brands? So I'm just going to go ahead and choose YouTube, and then please provide the URL. So the URL that is going to be my YouTube channel, and which products are you going to promote. So I'm just going to choose both. And how many visitors or views does your website or channel receive on average? So I'm just going to go ahead and put here, say for example, visitors or views. Let's just say around 600k or 600,000. There you go. I understand that Hostinger does not allow pay-per-click or impression advertising. So yep, we're going to click I understand. The same thing here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click next, and then we're just going to go ahead and click this one, click this one, click this, and check I'm not a robot. So after doing so, we're going to hit sign up. So yep, that's basically how it is, everybody. So from this point forward, we're just going to have to wait for the account manager to contact us shortly. So congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to do it. Now you know how to sign up here in Hostinger's affiliate program. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.